In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom HTML in Lovable AI. So to do that, you first need to head over to your Lovable AI dashboard and you need to access the code editor for this case. To do that, click on the code section in order to open it. You can click on the three dots on your site and you can see right here there's options for this case. Alternatively, you can also find the code option by going over directly into your site and you can see right here this code option. Click on this and you can find all of the files that you have right here. So you need to be knowledgeable in coding in order to use this. You can use the built-in editor to modify your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you have an HTML that you have right there, just need to paste them directly into the actual file that you need to add them. Specifically, it's on the index. So just open your index right there. And then once it's open, just add right here the code that you have. And after it, you can save your progress and it should be ready to go. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.